What you doing now, Dave?
I'm going to change the oil on the Can-Am. Karen's Can-Am F3T.
Can-Am F3T 2018. How many miles I got on this?
Looks like you're poking 20,000.
20,000. Well, we do some riding, don't we?
We do.
So why are you just sitting here?
Letting the motor warm up. Letting the oil so it drains out easier.
Oh, okay. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our 𝗣𝗟𝗏𝗀𝗟𝗍𝗍, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. You made those blocks, huh?
Yep. Then I gotta jack up the rear.
So that little bit helps, huh?
Oh yeah. To get underneath there, yeah. This is a chore to do this.
Why's that?
Well, kinda gotta go up in stages like.
If you didn't have that hitch on the back, how would you jack that up?
I wouldn't. Well, normally I have another set of blocks that I line up in the rear wheel. It all comes up at once, but I was too cheap to buy another 2x6.
How much does this bike weigh?
980 pounds.
How many pieces are you going to put underneath there?
3. There we go. Make sure the brake's on. Here it is.
Gotta have the trusty work carpet and the oil pan.
And then wrenches. Thing is, there's 2 drain plugs on this thing. One on this side and one on the other side. One for the crankcase and I guess one for the transmission. For filter housing.
What size bit is that?
The left-hand side is a Torx 45. The other side's an Allen
Oh, really?
wrench. Yeah.
How often do you have to change the oil?
It's say once every 9,000 miles.
Is there a filter you got to change down there?
Not down there, no.
Where's it at?
It's up top on the other side.
Boy, tell you what, there's a lot of oil in there. How much does this hold?
5 quarts.
What you got there?
I'm looking at the O-rings here.
That's the plug?
Yeah. They look like they're in pretty good shape. I don't think I'm going to change those.
Would you get new ones with the filter?
Well, yeah, but I'd see this one. Looks like it could be that one or this one.
Oh, they're different, huh?
Yeah, but none of these will match up to this.
Oh, it doesn't come with 2 different colored ones?
No.
Just different size ones?
Yeah, it's a cheap kit.
Huh. It was this kit right here?
Nah, yeah.
High-low filter?
High-lows.
Was that
High
Amazon?
flow. Yeah, they're Amazon. So, I don't think I'm going to change these 2. They're in good shape.
Okay.
But next time I buy filters, guess what I'm buying? So, I'm going to Can-Am and getting them.
Getting the real deal?
Yeah, but what I want to change is this washer right here with the new one.
So that's the oil you're going to use. XPS Lubricants SAE 5W40 synthetic blend.
Yep.
And 4-stroke engine oil. Is that from Amazon as well?
Yes.
Yep, you're going to need to put the plug back in because it's a problem without it, huh?
Yeah, you go through a lot of oil if you don't. You'll never be able to fill it up. And we'll torque it down till it's good and snug.
Okay, now we're on the other side.
Yep, now we gotta pull this drain plug.
So what are you using?
An Allen bit.
What size?
6mm.
Okay.
There you go. Yep. Alright. There's loose. Now we...
Just screw it by hand then?
Yeah.
How much is on this side?
About a quart and a half. This thing has a little magnetic tip on the plug.
Uh-huh.
And if you look, there's a little tiny bit of metal filings.
Oh.
So, that's good.
Why?
Well, you don't want to see big chunks.
Oh.
And you, if you're not eating up gears somehow, something ain't right. There's always going to be a little bit. It's called wear and tear. That little plug on the filter side, there's a little copper washer, and that always comes in the kit. You want to change that for sure. Just like that. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
And then you reinstall the plug. We have to take off this access panel. Number
25?
Torx bit. Take these out.
Oh, that's a change of oil?
All this to change the oil. Yes,
What's it cost to get it changed at the dealership?
never had it done at the dealer. I wouldn't know. I'd have to venture to say about $100, $200. But you got about what? 50, 60 bucks in oil here.
Oh yeah, plus the hour. Well, rates are probably about 150 bucks an hour.
At least.
So yeah, probably closer to 200 bucks.
Yep. Once you take those 4 screws out, and you take your handy dandy tool here.
Where'd you get that?
I got this at Harbor Freight, I think. And it's a body trim tool. You gotta pull those up. And there's one here. To pull that up. And then you gotta get underneath it and pull it the rest of the way out. Since like a little popper.
Mm-hmm.
Now once you do that, take off the body panel. Like get in here. That's where the filter is, inside this thing. You wipe all the road debris from it. And I like to take a rag and just pack it around here.
Reason being?
Some oil drips out. Then you take your 36mm socket. Right there. You can use a pair of channel locks, but seeing how it's plastic, I'm going this way. Put that on there. Spin it with your hand. This thing should come out with the filter. Oh, this is out. There's the filter. Right there.
How's that looking?
That's not looking too bad, really. And we have to change the seals on this, the O-rings.
Oh, and you're bleeding.
Yep. Taking that
You
ring
ain't
off
bleeding,
of
you
there,
ain't working.
putting this ring back on.
I suppose you're going to want an extra beer for bleeding.
That's par for the course, you know it. Right there. Now, we replace these 2 little deals. Oh, one's a little larger.
Sure is.
This one's a little larger than that one, so. Right there. And then we'll go with this one.
That was a bigger one there. That's the same size as the other one. I
Smaller
think.
one.
Is it?
Yeah. There we go. We'll go with the new filter. And then that goes in there like that. Okay, what I want to do now, get some fresh oil. Just a little bit on the finger. Rub it around that new seal on the bottom. And a little on those new seals on the top. And then go through hell to get this back in there. I don't know how these people do this on the assembly line.
Yeah. They probably don't have all these other things in their way.
Probably not.
Wasn't so bad.
And then we go to the GNT specs.
What's that?
Good and tight.
Ah.
Let's put this plug back in. There should be plenty. Now we pull out the dipstick. Wipe that off.
So you're going to need 1 bottle plus 1 quart?
Well, one gallon bottle. And then 1 quart. And
Oh, there's your 1 quart, huh?
that's going to be my 1 quart. There's my 5th and final quart. Reinsert the dipstick. And then crank her up. There we go. Now that we started it up and everything, we'll check the oil to see if our levels are proper. And it is, right there in the middle, between full and add, so that's where they say to have it. Get rid of the oil. Pumping it back in the bottle. The empty bottle.
I wrote down the dates and numbers of mileage again. Actually, you've only gone about 5,000 miles since the last oil change, but it was 2 years ago. Just put it on the side, inside of that panel.
Yep. Let's go like way in here. Start these by hand. Little rivets.
Yeah, those are pretty easy.
Easy from your point of view. There you go.
That's all done.
Oil change complete. And let's see, at a dealership that'd been $200. So
I'm not giving you $200 worth of beer.
that's where I'm going.
No.
So how much beer can you buy for $200?
Would have taken to a dealership was going to do that.
But this was done with loving care.
Come up with a real number, dude.
I gave it a 12 pack.
Yeah.
All right.
I might even throw in a shot.
Oh, Dad, there we go. Apple Crown?
Sure.
Sure.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.